What's up YouTube? So I'm already in the middle of getting ready, but then I kind of decided that I wanted to do like the rockstar girlfriend makeup look on my eyes, and honestly it's perfect timing because I haven't blended out my concealer yet, so in case there's any fallout this will fix it. I did already start with the transition shade, and I used this Nova Beauty palette, and I used this shade right here. It's literally called Shade, and I just ran that all over my crease on the inner and outer corner, and I dragged it out towards my temples just like that. I'm gonna use this Nova Beauty gel eyeliner in Talk to You Later. It's literally called TTYL, and it's just like this black glittery gel liner, and I love it. And I'm just gonna go all over like my eyes and focus it mainly on the outer corner because I'm a sucker for a cat eye, and I just feel like that fits like my eye shape better. But this doesn't have to be precise, so you can be messy about it because it's kind of like part of the vibe. I'm not gonna do too big of a wing. I just want like a little baby wing. Then I'm gonna kind of bring it on the inner corner, but I'm mostly gonna tight line the inner corner. And then I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk smudge brush. Actually, let me zoom you guys up so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna take this smudge brush and just start smudging everything out. Honestly, these eyeliners are like my favorite of all time because they blend out so nice. They don't pull on your skin when you apply it. I don't know if you guys can see the little like sparkles, but yeah, literally just like that, nothing more, nothing less. And then I'm gonna just tight line my waterline on the bottom, and I'm gonna connect it to the liner that's on the top. And then again, I'm gonna smudge out like up here towards the outer corner. I'm gonna do the same thing onto this side. Then on top of the eyes, because I kind of want like a little bit of like a more like effortless, like I put this makeup on like hours ago type of look, I'm gonna go in with this Tower 28 highlight. It's basically just like a balm. I'm gonna just add that onto like the center of the eye. You see what I'm saying? And I love this because it doesn't like pick up the product that you already put down. And then on top of it, because I do still want a little bit of glitter, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm How Many Carats, and I'm gonna just take my finger and put that right on top, but only in the center, and I'm gonna drag it up to my eyelid, I mean my brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my face, but I'll be right back for the mascara. Alright, so I just finished my face. Now it's time to do the mascara. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm using this Smashbox Superfan mascara. It's literally my favorite. It's super black. Even though the brush is skinny, it literally separates your lashes so beautifully. I can't even begin to describe how much I love it. I'm trying not to debate if I should put lashes on or if I should just keep it like this. If I do, I'm gonna use the Kiss lashes like always. If I do, I'll show you, but I'm gonna have to get off this camera real quick because it's overheating. Alright, so I just ended up putting lashes on, but I'm so tempted to put like some fake piercings on because this is like the rockstar girlfriend look, and I just feel like I could use some fake piercings. Like I'm thinking either like right here on the nose bridge and then like an eyebrow, or like both the eyebrows. Scared to mess it up. What should I do? What should I do? I grabbed two, so I think I might put them right here. If this ruins the like whole look, I'm blaming it on you guys, so just so you know. I'm so scared. I don't even know if that's even. By the way, I'm using this duo lash glue, and then to pick up the little like, oh my god, there's a hair on it. pick up like the little beads, I'm gonna use this pencil. I think it's just like a wax pencil. Oh my god. I did it. Oh my god, what did I just do? I guess we know what I would look like if I got this piercing for real. Now this makes me want to do it on my eyebrows. See, look what we did. Should I put on my eyebrows? No. Okay, just leave it. Alright, I think both eyebrows is like too much, but like this is kind of cute. And I love that like it's kind of like a messy, like a little bit glossy, like as if like my natural oils are just coming through, and like maybe like I slept in this makeup but I still look fucking flawless. Alright, I'm gonna send you back out. Alright, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you recreate it, and don't forget to tag me if you do. I can't believe I always like decide to do things like last minute. Like these piercings like were kind of unnecessary, but they were necessary at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Like, whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.